Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today, as you can see, we have a very aggressive looking, very stealthy looking, full blackout Lamborghini Urus in for exhaust upgrade. So right over here, we have our Akrapovic titanium exhaust system for the Urus. Before we install this Akrapovic exhaust system on the car, let's start up the Urus and do a few revving. Listen to how the factory exhaust sounds like on the Urus, and later once we have this beautiful Akrapovic exhaust installed, of course we will do another sound check and listen to how much difference is this Akrapovic exhaust going to make on the Urus. Alright, so we have removed the factory exhaust out from the Urus and put it side by side to compare with the Akrapovic system that is going into the car later. So now let's talk a little bit more about the differences between this factory system and the Akrapovic system. So first of all, on the mid-pipe area, as you can see, the factory system, it has this H-pipe layout for the mid-section, and on the Akrapovic system, they actually designed it to have an X-pipe layout. So with the X-pipe layout, it gives the Urus a more unique sound, more V8 rumble compared to the H-pipe on the factory exhaust. Then to the rear, this is the factory rear muffler section, which is very heavy, and also there is a lot of restrictions in this rear muffler. While on the Akrapovic system, this is made out of titanium material, and also inside the muffler box, it is a lot less restrictive compared to the factory system. So with the Akrapovic system installed, you get a more free-flowing exhaust system without so many restrictions, and that's why with the Akrapovic system installed on the Urus, it will sound definitely louder compared to the factory system, and also you will get more V8 rumble out of the 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine. And lastly, to the rear, we have this factory tailpipes compared to the Akrapovic tailpipes. So definitely this Akrapovic tailpipes looks way better compared to this original tailpipes. And these Akrapovic tailpipes, they are actually specially designed for the Urus. So right over here, you can see you'll get this Akrapovic logo on the outer pipes, and on the inner pipes, you will have this Lamborghini logo. So this is a special collaboration project between Akrapovic and Lamborghini, and these tailpipes are specifically designed only for the Lamborghini Urus. Another highlight of this Akrapovic system is that this system is actually made out of titanium material, include the mid-pipe. So the entire exhaust system is constructed out of lightweight titanium material compared to the factory system, which is made out of steel material. This is very heavy, and this is very lightweight. So with the Akrapovic system installed, you get the proper sound improvement, and also you get proper weight reduction over the factory system. Now we put the factory exhaust system on the weight machine. So it weighs about 24 kilograms for the factory system. And now we will measure the weight of the Akrapovic system because of the exhaust design. So they're actually separated into two parts. So now this is the mid pipe, the titanium mid pipe, and it weighs about 6.7 kilograms for the mid pipe. As for the rear muffler section, it weighs at 10.3 kilograms. So when we add it together with the mid pipe, which is 6.7 kilograms, the entire Akrapovic system weighs at only 17 kilograms compared to the factory system. So you get about 7 kilograms of weight reduction over the factory system. So you have heard how does the Akrapovic exhaust system sounds like on the Lamborghini Urus, and also besides the Akrapovic exhaust upgrade, the owner has actually did quite a little bit of modifications on his Urus, which includes this very beautiful and aggressive Topcar Design full carbon kit all around the car. So you have the carbon hood, the carbon front splitter, the bumper insert, the side mirror caps. To the side, these are all in carbon fiber material, and the rear wide arches, and on the rear you have this carbon fiber roof spoiler, the rear bumper insert, and this beautiful and very aggressive carbon fiber rear diffuser, as well as our freshly installed Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the Akrapovic exhaust or this Lamborghini Urus, and also how does the car looks like with the full Topcar Design carbon kit. If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in future.